Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Romani. If you're not sure who I am and you've never seen any of my videos before, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My channel is geared toward beauty, health, and empowerment. But today we have a vlog instead. This is my first vlog, so yeah. If you're one of my subscribers, then you already know that I am a college student. I attend Fisk University and I'm going into my senior year, so I decided to purchase my first apartment. So today's vlog will just be showing you guys me apartment shopping at the thrift store. And I know a lot of you are probably like, ew, what is she gonna find at the thrift store? But the thrift store has some great deals and just great items. You do not have to spend an arm and a leg to, you know, have nice things. You can buy amazing things at a great discount, and I'm going to show you how. So me and my mom are at the Salvation Army and we are about to go shopping for my new apartment. Stay tuned. I have an entire section dedicated to furniture and, you know, just household items. So don't be scared to shop at the thrift store, because as you can see, they have really nice things. Okay, so they have literally so many cups and just so many sets of different things. So we have a lot to choose from. I was actually leaning more towards like this kind of cup just for like regular everyday usage, and then I did see some like martini cups that I wanted. Hey mom, I thought she was an employee. I got scared. And then they have like bowls and stuff, and most of these things are literally just $20 and under, so you should definitely come check these out. I feel like I'm going a little too fast. Let me slow down. So these are the bowls and plates and stuff like that. These are the martini glasses. I was telling you guys that I would probably pick up, and then I do need to find some really nice champagne glasses. Oh, actually, here are some champagne glasses right here. And then, so the blue tags are 50% off today, and then the green tags are 25% off today. So we actually get a discount on them. And then they also have a section for kitchen items. So if you need like spoons and stuff like that, they definitely have that. And pans, all of that. They're 50 cents a piece. I'm gonna use these to like melt butter while I'm cooking, and just to heat up different things, or just to put, you know, stuff in mugs, which I definitely need, because you guys know I drink my detox tea all the time. I will link that video down below. And just lots of plates and stuff like that. I'm actually going to go to another thrift store to get my plates, just because the ones that I liked here were $22 and I don't want to pay that. So yeah. Okay, so I did pick out some champagne glasses. As you can see, it says 5 for $5.99, but I did tell you guys that the blue, there is a discount on them. So I actually got all of these, and it's going to be like around $6, $7, $8. I didn't really calculate it, but it's not going to be a lot. And like I said, I got a lot of them. And I really like these glasses. This is going to be like my Saturday, Sunday brunch glasses. They are 6 for $6.99, and I got 6 of them. So got 6 of them for $7. Really can't beat that deal. I'm going to get this. This is going to go above my wine rack. It is $15, but like I said, there's a percentage off on green tags, so it'll be less than 15. So okay, and I also got this painting to hang over my bed in my bedroom. This is $25. It's really nice. Would have been more if you know, it was at another store, so this is a good deal. Okay, so we are done for now. We're actually going to go to another store, just because I didn't want to pay the price that they wanted for these dishes and these mugs. So I'm gonna go to another thrift store. I won't be recording that process though, because I feel like this was enough. But yeah, so I literally got everything in that bin, plus the bin, plus you know, the stuff under the bin. And then these 2 paintings all for $88. That's the best deal ever. $88 for so much stuff. When I do my apartment tour, I'll show you everything like specifically that I bought, but basically I have glasses, this painting, can't really think of everything, but I do have a lot of stuff. So I told y'all I wasn't gonna show you guys what I got at the second store, but I'm at the second store, and these are the rose pens that I'm getting. Okay, so now we're actually done thrift shopping. Oh, we have one more store to go to. I know I look different. I literally just went to go get my nose piercing changed, but now I'm actually done recording for the day. So I will see you guys in my next video.